Hi, hello, my name's Pippa Wynn and I'm a skincare expert, and the last product in the hyaluronic acid series is the mask. Now this is something that I've been treating myself to probably 2 to 3 times a week, and it's just something that really accelerates that moisture lock-in and the benefits of hyaluronic acid as well. This mask is a richer formulation, so it's got all of those magical key ingredients in it that the moisturizer has and that the serums have, but it's a really more intense formulation, and it's this beautiful pink gel formulation. It doesn't make your skin pink though. So you would just smooth about the size of a broad bean all over your face and neck and just leave it on. You can actually sleep in this mask, or you can just tissue it off or massage the excess into your skin. It's a really lovely thing to do in an evening if you've come home from whatever you've been doing in the day, perhaps had a shower or a bath and put your pajamas on. I love to put the hyaluronic acid mask on then, and then I put the mask over my neck and my face, and then just before I go to bed I kind of massage the excess in and then pop a little bit of the night cream on as well, and then when I wake up in the morning my skin just feels lovely. So I hope you'll join me in becoming a fan of this power packed ingredient. See you soon.